Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and today we are going to talk about CSAT reasoning. And in this session we are starting with previous year questions, and this is must do previous year questions part 1. And what kind of questions we have seen in CSAT reasoning we are going to see. Now let's start with question number 1. Now this question says that what is the value of x in the sequence 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 35, 75, and which should be the next number. Okay. So I got a series 20, then I got a series 10, then I got a series what? That is 10, then I got a series what? 15, then I got a series what? 30, then I got a series what? 75. Okay. So first of all, if I multiply this number with 0.5, 20 into 0.5 will give you 10. Now 10 multiplied by 1 is going to give you 10. 10 multiplied by 1.5, that will give you 15. Now 15 multiplied by 2 is going to give you 30. So basically, if you see, the multiplication factors is increasing by 0.5. This is 2.5. So next number should be what? Multiplied by 3. 75 into 3 comes out to be 225. So answer of this question is going to be option D. Okay, now let's look at the next question. What does it says? Between 316 and 317, both hour hand and minute hand coincide, and I need to figure out which of the following statements are true. Okay, and second statement is between 458 and 459, both minute hand and second hand coincide. So basically, if I'm going to look at the second statement, I'm just going to close my eyes and imagine. Now second hand completes the whole round in a minute, right? So it is going to coincide with minute hand every minute, right? So between 458 to 459, is it going to overlap? Yes. So second statement is definitely true. Now, if I'm going to look at the first statement, so I need the time at which both of them are going to coincide, right? So I got at 3 something, both hands coincide. Fine. Now, what is the so basically I'm looking coincide means the angle should be 0. Okay. So what is the angle between the two hands? That is theta is equal to 30h, that is R value, minus 11 by 2 m. This is the formula we are going to use. And if they are coinciding, then angle should be 0. 30 h means what? 3 minus 11 upon 2 times m. So this gives us 11 by 2 m is equal to 90. So m comes out to be 180 by 11, and that comes out to be 11, 11, then 70, 16 point something. So 316 something, both hands are going to overlap. It means between 316 and 317, both minute hand and hour hand are going to coincide. It means first statement is also true. So my answer of this question is going to be both statements are true. Statement 1 as well as statement 2. Okay. Now let's look at the next question. What does it say? Now it says that there are two friends, X and Y. They start running and they run together for 50 meters in the same direction and reach a point X. Okay, then they are moving left, right, and all. So what I'm going to do? So this is a standard question of what? This is a standard question of directions. Okay. So what I'm going to do, is it talking about north and south? No, it is talking about left, right only. They are at a starting point. Both of them are going to run 50 meters. So they are going to reach here. That is 50 meters. Now, and they reach a point X. So basically this point is X. X turns right. So right means below. And that is going to be what? 60 meters. Y turns left. Left means this. How much? 40. Then, okay. So this is not the point X. This is something. Now this guy is X. This guy is Y. Then X turns left. So if X is turning left, left means this direction. And he runs 50. Stops. Y turns right. Y turns right means in this direction and runs 50 meters means here. How far the two friends are there from each other? Okay, so this is 50. This is also 50. This is also 50, right? Now this distance I can say that is 60. This distance I can say that is 40. So what is the distance between y and x, that's going to be 100 meter. That is option A. So this is how we can approach these kind of questions. So whenever you see a question of direction, always start drawing the diagram and eventually you are going to get the correct answer. Okay. Now let's look at this one. Now it says that on which date June 2099 is Sunday. Okay. So what I'm going to start. I have a base value, and what is the base value? I know that 1 Jan 2001 is Monday. Now, in 1 year, we have 365 days. So, 365 days means I can say it is 52 weeks and 1 day, right? So, if I am going 1 year ahead, means 1 Jan 2002. So, this is Monday. So, 1 Jan 2002 is going to be Tuesday because it is going to add up to, it is going to move to one extra day. So, it is going to reach at Tuesday, right? Now there are some leap years, that is 366 days. So there, how many extra days I'm going to get? I'm going to get 2 extra days. Okay. So in any 4 years, I have 3 normal years, that is 3 extra days, plus 1 leap year, that is 2 extra days. So in every 4 years, I'm going to get 5 extra years. Okay. So from 2001 to 2005, I am going to get 4 extra years, right? Now, if I'm going to talk about 92 years, so 92 years is 23 into 4. Okay. So 23 into 4. So I am going to have 23 sets of 4 years, right? So how many extra days I'm going to get? 23 into 5. Because in every 4 years, I'm going to get 5. So in 23 into 4 years, I'm going to get 23 into 5 extra days, that is 150. So 1 Jan 2001, 92 years later, it is going to be 1 Jan 2093. And I am going to get how many extra days? That is 115. Plus, I am going to add 4 years. So I am going to say 1 Jan 2097. I am going to get 5 more years. So I am going to get 120. Okay. Now, 1 Jan 2098. I'm going to get 1 extra year, 121, and 1 Jan 2099, I'm going to get 1 extra year, that is going to be 122. So I got 122 extra days till now. Now I have reached 1 Jan 2099. So in Jan, how many days are remaining? There are 30 more days because Jan is of 31 days. So basically, in 30 days, I'm going to get 4 weeks and 2 extra days. So in Jan, I'm getting 2 extra days. In Feb, how many extra days I'm going to get? In Fab, I am going to get 0 extra days because February is of 21 days, 28 days. Then in March, I'm going to get 3 extra days because it is of 31 days. 31 days means 4 weeks and 3 days. In April, I'm going to get 2 extra days. In May, I am going to get 3 extra days. Okay. So I am standing at 31st May. And what is the total number of extra days I'm going to get? 2 plus 3 plus 2. That is 7 days. I don't need it. So 122 plus 3, 125 extra days. I am going to divide it by 7. 7 ones are 7. 5, 55. So I am going to get 6 extra days. So 6 extra days means plus 6. Means 1 Jan 2001 is Monday. So 31st May 2099 is going to be 6 days later, means this day is going to be Sunday. 31st May 2099 is Sunday. So basically in June, which day is going to be Sunday? That is going to be 7th of June, 7 days later. So answer of this question is going to be option D. So whenever you see a question of calendar, always remember that you are going to get 4 extra days, 5 extra days in every 4 consecutive years, and this is something that you need to remember. Okay, now let's come to this. What does it says? Now it says that what is the value of x? Okay, so I got this is 2, then I got 12, then I got 36, then I got 80, then I got 150. Now what I am going to do? So this is going to be difference of 10. I'm going to see multiple iterations. What does it work? This is 24. Okay. Then it is going to be what? 44. Okay. Then it is going to be what? 70. Okay. So does this iteration work over here? I'm not sure it works or not. So do I have any other thing? So I'm going to make a pattern. This is 14. This is 20. This is 26. Oh yeah, I got a pattern, right? So this is 26. So now next number, now this difference is 6. This difference is also 6. So next difference is going to be 6. So it is going to be 32. Okay. Now if it is 32, then it is 102. So next number should be 252. So what should be the answer of this question? That is going to be option B. That is 252. So इस क्वेश्चन को करने का तरीका ये है कि डिफरेंस लेके कर लें. मेजोरिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस जो हम इस पैटर्न के सॉल्व करते हैं सीक्वेंसेस के, तो उसमें अगर हम डिफरेंस लेके करेंगे तो चीजें आराम से हो जाएंगी. चलिए आखिरी क्वेश्चन देखते हैं क्या कह रहा है. That 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, and F are sitting equidistant from each other in a circular table facing center. ठीक है, 6 बंदे राइट और सेंटर की तरफ देख रहे हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 और 6. ना क्वेश्चन ये बोल रहा है कि ए के इमीडिएट लेफ्ट में कौन बैठा हुआ है. ठीक है, अगर मैं पहला स्टेटमेंट लूं तो ये बोल रहा है कि बी के अपोजिट में सी बैठा हुआ है, डी के अपोजिट में ई बैठा हुआ है, लेकिन लेफ्ट राइट की कोई बात नहीं हो रही. तो अपने अपने पास पहले स्टेटमेंट से कोई क्लू नहीं है. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट ये बोल रहा है कि एफ इज सिटिंग इमीडिएटली लेफ्ट ऑफ बी. तो अब बाकी लोगों के बारे में तो कुछ नहीं पता. ठीक है, तो ये भी नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, अब दोनों स्टेटमेंट लेते हैं. आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट ए सिटिंग हियर. ठीक है, बी के अपोजिट में सी बैठा हुआ है, तो बी और सी एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होंगे. डी और ई एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होंगे. तो ए के अपोजिट कौन हो सकता है? एक ही हो सकता है, दैट इज एफ. ठीक है, सो यहां से ये स्टेटमेंट तो आ गया. अब उसके बाद ये बोल रहा है, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट ये बोल रहा है एफ बी के लेफ्ट में बैठा हुआ है. सो एफ बी के लेफ्ट में बैठा हुआ है, मतलब बी एफ के राइट में बैठा होगा, मतलब बी यहाँ पे होगा. सो बी यहाँ पे हो गया, तो इसका मतलब सी यहाँ पे होगा क्योंकि बी और सी अपोजिट है. अब डी और ई अपोजिट बैठे हुए हैं, मतलब डी यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, ई यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, या फिर डी यहाँ हो सकता है, ई यहाँ हो सकता है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि ए के लेफ्ट में कौन बैठा है. ए के लेफ्ट में डी भी हो सकता है और ई भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ए के राइट में एक ही बंदा बैठा है, कौन? सी. But we are looking for who is sitting immediately left of A. That is going to be either D or E. So we cannot answer this question. So answer of this question is going to be option D. That is both statements 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Now, if anyone has any doubt and you are unable to understand any concept that we have done today, kindly drop a message and we'll take the query on that particular topic. Thank you.